guys, hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Amazon makeup and beauty haul and few accessories as well. So this video is made in association with my haul store. So I'm going to link all the products in the description box. Do not forget to check it out if you're interested in buying anything. So I have 3 boxes of Amazon haul here. This is the first box. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, I saw this very interesting kit from Sugar. It has a set of blush and highlighter here. This is blush and highlight kit, and I think this was priced pretty reasonably. On this it's mentioned 748 rupees, but I did not pay 748. I'm going to mention on the screen. And once you pull out, it has the blush and the highlighter here. There are too many variants in this one. I think there were 3 variants. I picked the one that has Salmon Superstar blush and Metal Medal highlighter. I'm going to show you both the products. I have used Sugar's blushes. I already have one and I really like the quality, so I thought I'll pick another. So here are the swatches. You can see the highlighter here and the blush here. Blush is a matte color and it is very pretty, like a peachy toned color. I really like such shades on me. I think they look very natural. Before you start asking about my lipstick, I'm going to leave it in the description box. It's a mix of 2 shades. So yeah, I'm really happy to have these 2 in my collection. Next I have few more makeup items here. So I have purchased 3 lip products from not exactly new brands, but these brands. I do not have lip products from these brands. So first one, we have Leave No Evidence lipstick, liquid lipstick from Bellora Cosmetics. A lot of shades were sold out, but I really wanted to pick one to check the formula because I've heard that the formula is pretty nice. Despite being a long staying transfer proof lipstick, these feel pretty comfortable. This is the packaging. The shade is Beetroot Mauve. It is a beautiful color. See here with the swatch. Looks pretty nice and luxe. And I'm going to mention prices of all the products on the screen. So I'm pretty excited to try this one out next. Next I have lip oil gloss in the shade Sangria from Ruby's Organics. I have a lipstick from Ruby's Organics, but I was really interested in trying one of these lip oil glosses. And it's an organic brand like the name suggests. This is the color. It looks like a burgundy color. I would love to use it in one of my comfortable 5-minute makeup looks because the color is very beautiful. Since it's an oil based lip formulation, I think it's going to be very comfortable. It's going to feel very comfortable on the lips. Next I have a product from Zion and Maiza. I hope that's how you pronounce it. I saw this brand on Amazon. It seems it's a cruelty free vegan brand. I hope it is because I think that's what I saw. And they have a lot of lip products like bullet lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and this color. This is a pH lip tint, which is a product that changes its colors once you apply it on your lips. It just interacts with the pH of your lips and just gives you a color. First of all, I really like the packaging. It's a very beautiful pastel pink with white detailing. This lipstick itself is very pretty. It has this jelly like texture here. There is the swatch. It is very light pink once you swatch it on your hand, but the color looks pretty beautiful when you swatch it on your bare lips. I've already used it twice and I think this is a very good product. It feels quite comfortable. Next I picked a concealer from LA Girl. This LA Girl Pro HD concealer. This is in the shade medium beige. So medium beige is going to be a little dark for me. In fact, I ordered for pure beige and received medium beige. I did not return it because I have concealer that I can mix it with and make it work. LA Girl concealer formulas are a bit drying, so you have to make sure that you prep your under eye area very well before applying these concealers. But these do last a really long time and they give you this beautiful HD finish. So I think that's all one looks for. But pure beige is my color. If you are of my complexion, try pure beige. Medium beige is going to be a little darker. Now I have 3 hair accessories from Amazon. First are these 3 hair clips from Solimo brand, and these look pretty nice. I bought these for my daughter because she likes to have clips in her hair. These are very light and these look like good quality clips, and this one is like the alligator, what do you call it, claw clip or alligator clip. This is very very nice and this looks very pretty. Next I have picked two hairbands. Sure, by now you all have observed that I love hairbands, and these hairbands look really pretty. So this is the first hairband. This has stone work on, and this is blue in color and it has very beautiful stone work. I'll you wear them and show. This looks very very pretty. I was very impressed with the quality. The quality is also very nice. It feels very nice when you wear it on your head. It grips the head really well, and I really like the work on it. The stone work is very pretty and very neat. And similarly, I have another one with stonework. This is black in color, but this is slightly wider than the blue one, as you can see. See, it's very very pretty. It has this net kind of design, and it also looks very beautiful. See, both the headbands are very very beautiful. Even my daughter can wear them, and I think the quality is very good and the stuff is really nice. Now we are left with 3 skincare products. I decided to pick skincare as well this time. So first I have this Earth Rhythm Phytoceramide Deep Moisturizer. So this has ceramides, 5 essential ceramides. I had this before as well and I really loved using it. It's a thought of repurchasing, because I really like moisturizers that have ceramides in them. I think this is a really really beautiful product, and the brand is also clean, so why not. I have another ceramide based moisturizer from Vont. This is another clean beauty brand, and this is Vont Barrier Boost Face Formula. This also contains bakuchiol, ceramide complex, biopeptides and amino acids, so the formulation sounds pretty fantastic. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on the clean beauty brands in India. The last product is going to be Plum Bulgarian Rose and Hyaluronic Acid 2% Serum. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. This is a new launch from Plum and I'm pretty excited. They have also launched a niacinamide serum. Despite of containing Bulgarian Rose, this doesn't really smell too much of roses. It has a very faint, barely there fragrance, which is really good, because I thought since it has rose, it's going to smell like roses, but it doesn't really. And again, Plum is a clean beauty brand. So with this, we have finished my Amazon beauty haul. It was a small beauty haul, but I think I picked really nice products. What do you guys think? And I'm also going to do more Amazon beauty hauls in the future. And let me know if in case you are interested in me testing out any of these products or any new product that you might have on your mind. And yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this small haul with me. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.